John Poyman, president of Poyman Polymer Products and inventor of 3P QuickCure Clay, which is actually a material invented for artists to do very rapid sculpture. But it also turns out to be extremely effective for wood repair. So here we have a very deep hole right here we're going to repair. And normally if you're using a regular air-dried wood putty, that'll take a long time, especially when it's so deep where you have to do several applications. But we're going to just apply this material. And notice I'm wearing vinyl gloves in order to just prevent any exposure to the 3P QuickCure Clay, which can be a skin irritant until it's reactive. Now the material has unlimited working time, does not require any mixing, and has a shelf life of at least a year. So this is now hard, and we can sand it. That is very smooth. It now can be painted, drilled, tapped, stained.